Area I throw salute and I do welcome for football in Pidgin. After match, talk how you see them. I beg if you know so you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on the notification button. Manchester United 3 and Leicester City 0. And we get Oga Daffy, we be like saying now Bunge Man you fan, Bunge football lover, make on tell us about how you see this game. Oga Daffy, how you dey see your team performance? Because we see Manchester United last season. We're going to see another different Manchester United this season. What thing you think say don't change from Man U within last season? We'll be like say everybody just they use Man U, they won't shine, and this season we'll be like say we're going to see a different Man U. We'll be like say they win game convincingly. That they win you, you will not say yes. You play people with sabi pass you. How what do you get to talk about this season Manchester United with this?
The major difference from last season to this season na the coach. The coach na coach wey get winning mentality right from time when he dey out. So Ten Hag na better coach normally. Even when he first come Man U, when we first lose our first match, me I even tell my guys, but this guy go perform. This guy he don't need to settle down. Make he buy a place when he won't buy. But the guy can exceed my expectation. He say we take 4 competitions like this. We dey FA Cup, we dey Carabao Cup, we dey final, we still dey Europa, and we still dey game for Premier League. So the guy just exceed my expectations, and I believe say Man go see win trophy sef this season. Trophies dey where Man go win. The major difference na just the coach. Na just the coach. Yeah, the coach. The coach is the difference. Yes. So the other coach we get na mediocre, call it Paco coach. Now we don't get better coach.
So now we don't get
better
All right,
coach.
so make I ask you about Marcus Rashford, because the way we take they see Rashford now, it dey hot like bang. You know Bangara is where they fire now. You know the cooker with firewood.
Yes.
You know that kind of heat. Now Rashford they carry they come. You don't understand. It gets the day where I dey interview one of your fellow Man U fan. You know the team when talking say if you watch match, if you go ask, say the team when people they ask and I say Rashford score, and now that form now Rashford carry come since World Cup. Since World Cup, he don't score a total of 15 goals. No player for the top 5 leagues for Europe don't score that amount of goals since after the World Cup. What do you get to talk about this player as Man U fan?
Rashford. But I just dey proud of Rashford as
They give you joy.
since he scored that in 100 United goals. You say that time. Like I say, he just scored 100 goals. He just unlock all in goals. You get. But I believe so as a player, even as a footballer, when I be too, and some other footballers, everybody footballer they get that period for in career whereby he dey peak. You get. Like check Lewandowski. When Lewandowski first did Dortmund, he not did this goal scoring from when he did Bayern. You get. So Rashford don't reach that stage for a career whereby he don't peak now. And he go peak like this for so many years. Like so he go dey perform until anytime when in tire, you get. So Rashford don't reach that stage for his career when he don't reach in peak now, and he go dey perform like this ago. That's how it just be.
So you talk about say Manchester United did 4 competitions and Man U already dey final for one. Europa League playoffs, second leg still there. You think say Manchester United gets the squad if you play for all this competition? Because we know say some managers we don't see them sometimes when their squad they thin small, they'll come talk with you, they'll come do with some Oyibo people when sabi grammar will call priority. They'll come say now this tournament I want focus. Now that one I want focus. You think say Manchester United get the squad to play for all those 4 competitions? Because yesterday for here, one guy they talk say Manchester United go you don't reach when the club go come begin they look the one where they could take serious and the one where they not go take serious, because they know if you go for all 4. We see what happened to Liverpool. Liverpool go for all 4 competitions last year. They fight for the league to the last day, and I think they end up winning FA Cup, a Carling Cup. Which one are they win? So you think say Manchester United get the squad where he fight for all of these 4 competition, or make the manager begin choose the one where he go take serious?
Realistically, if we want the realistic, I don't feel say Man you get the squad, then we fight for all 4 competitions, because some of the positions we get us one player. If anything do Rashford today now, we're not getting anybody to replace him. Sincerely, not be a Langa, not be all them. Not be player. Now the only place where we take get multiple players small now midfield. We get Eriksen, where's they injured now. But if I say Ten Hag dey proactive, go bring Sabitzer come. If not, we not forget midfield. We get Casemiro, we're not disciplined. For you don't get red card, for you don't get yellow card. So we not really get that squad. So if I be the coach, I go take like 3 out of the 4 competitions where I go focus on, put my priority on. So okay, these competitions I won't fight for. But anything they possible, because Why they sound even the Europa playoff, we go qualify.
Mm.
You know, so I predict that they say back and go
Say
win
Barca
us.
go win una. And not be small attack. Man U fans attack you for that prediction.
but
They see they attack you today.
but Man U shocked me.
Mm.
Man U shocked me. So I believe say Man U will able qualify for Europa playoff. And who really did Europa? Apart from if we come up back and I really did not be Arsenal.
Mm.
People not really did. Now people will buy if our squad still did, we go 50, go far. The Premier League still tricky one kind. Arsenal and Man City, they know they back down.
Mm.
But anything still happen. But for the FA Cup and the Carabao Cup, won't be say it all sure.
Mm.
From in my opinion, Carabao not sure. Yeah,
Because of Nick Pope red card yesterday.
and Martin Dubravka, he did this thing, they tied nothing place. So now Loris, Carriers, that one, even with Bruno Gomes, not even this for Newcastle. So that one that they sure. So I know say one trophy don't come this
One
season
trophy
first.
they for our
Don't come this
cabinet
season.
already.
Don't come this season first. Our players they fit. Everybody won't play. He put him say everybody won't play. Everybody won't do. Even Maguire says they improve. For Maguire to improve for a team, to let you know say the team self don't even balance on your own.
No be
For
lie.
Maguire to even improve. So
No be lie.
I say just be so might not really get the squad. But we get determination. And determination, they win trophies. Actually, not be actually the squad depth. Portugal get squad depth, they not go far for World Cup. Argentina not really get that squad depth, but they win the cup of the determination when they get. So now say just be. I feel say man, you just get determination. They want to do something, and the coach want proof points. I saw that they'll see him.
So Barcelona versus Manchester United for Old Trafford, when be like say, man, you get this Ogbonge record this season. What will be your prediction for that Europa League playoff, the last leg? So what will be your prediction?
United 2, back at 1. United to qualify.
All right, now I got that. Thank you. People, now lawyer boy, of course, we dey lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank una as you take watch this our content, but make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also, the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.